Intervals are common in all geometry. Whether we're extending some geometry, shortening some geometry, putting breaks in it, or doing edits to it, like putting an arc between two lines, we're always generating intervals, and it's really just that visible portion of the piece of geometry. So if I select that, I see, just like the geometry itself, it has a name. Now, what was going on in previous releases is that name would change as intervals got created. So B became B1, or Main Street here became Main Street 1 or Main Street 2. And it was hard to keep track of. What's happened with the 25 release is we now maintain the same name no matter how many intervals they are. All those related elements share a common name. That's important for a number of reasons. Let's take a look at an example here with a corridor. So what I've got is a couple pieces of geometry that we're going to use for point controls. This one's going to control the edge of the pavement, and this one here is going to control the sidewalk. And when we go and make edits to those, that's going to affect how the corridor behaves. So here's our corridor. We've got the edge of pavement point control in there. We've got the sidewalk point controls on there. Now, if we go back and we make edits to this, and we adjust this edge of pavement line, extend it, and we put a break in the sidewalk line, and then we come back to the corridor, what we'll see is that it did not heal to those. The corridor did that edge of pavement, did not use this extra length in there. We certainly don't see the break in there. We would have had to have gone and done some manual work to make that happen. Now, if we make those same kind of edits in the 2025 release and we go to the corridor automatically sees those instantly and heals itself without any additional manual